Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 200 EMA on cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this F icon here at the top. Click on Find Indicator and type EMA. Now choose this one, Exponential Moving Average, because EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. Okay, click on it. Go to periods and type here 200. Now we have here the colors. You can change it if you want. So I will choose, for example, red. And we have here the type of the line, and we have here the thickness of the line. So I will choose, for example, 4. Then click on OK. And now, as you can see here, this is our 200 MA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.